Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Salesforce Einstein for developers. Currently, this is in open beta, so anyone can try to refer this video and set it up, and you can play around with it. So first step in order to get started with Einstein for developers is we have to go to Salesforce setup, and in the Salesforce setup under development select Einstein for developers. Use this toggle button to enable the Einstein for developers feature. Once this is enabled, you have to go to this Visual Studio Code marketplace, and then you have to install this VS Code extension. Once this step is also done, go to your Visual Studio Code, create a new project, or in your existing project you should see this Einstein sidebar. If you don't see this after installing and after creating the project, try to restart the VS Code so that when the VS Code loads it next time, it will try to enable this feature properly without any issues. So use this Einstein sidebar, and here using this Einstein sidebar, you can ask Salesforce generative AI to generate the code for us. For example, here what I'm going to ask is create a method to fetch contacts related to an account record. So we can ask any requirement here so that it will try to generate the code and it will give it to us. So once we click ask, it will generate the sample code for us. If you have if it was useful, you can give like. If it is not useful, you can give dislike. If you want to copy this code, use this copy code link so that it will copy this code, and then you can modify it and use it as per your requirement. So in order to get started, go to Einstein for developers in Salesforce setup, enable the feature, go to Visual Studio Market place and install the VS Code extension for Einstein GPT. Once this is installed, create a new project, or in the existing project you should see this Einstein sidebar. Using the Einstein sidebar, you can ask the question so that it will generate the sample code for us. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.